In this video, I am going to show you how to increase maximum upload file size in WordPress. So let's get started. So this is my WordPress website, and if I click on media and then add new, and here you can see that maximum upload file size limit is 8 MB. And today we are going to increase this maximum upload file size to 1 GB. So let's see how we can do it. So to do this, we need to log into our cPanel account. It is very easy to log into your cPanel account. In the address bar, enter your domain name /cPanel next to it and hit enter. Now enter your cPanel username and password and then click on login. So in this way, you will be redirected to the cPanel account. From the cPanel dashboard, we are going to scroll down to software section. And from here, we are going to select PHP version. And now on the top, you will see two options, extensions and options. So we are going to select the second one, options. And here it will show us the PHP settings. But we are going to scroll down to the bottom. And here we will see post max size. And as you can see that currently it is set to 8 MB. And now we are going to set it to 1 GB. So we are going to click on this drop down. And from here we are going to select 1 GB. So as you can see that 1 GB is selected and updated. Now we will go back to our WordPress website dashboard and we are going to refresh it. And as you can see that our maximum upload file size is now 1 GB. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.